Hey guys, it's Carrie again. I have an unboxing for you from Hobbii. This is a Hobbii Black Friday that I got after Thanksgiving. I got it a while ago. I never did an unboxing, so I'm going to show you what I got. I didn't get very much. So what I did get is, I've never had this before. So Winter Glow. %51% wool, 49% acrylic. It's a number 4. Grams, 382 yards. I had gotten 2 of the brown. So I got 4 colors of these. This one's like a light brown, then the brown. I'm missing one. I'm missing one. Okay. I don't know what happened. But anyways, then I got Highland wool. 100% premium wool. $50 grams, 175 meters, approximately 191 yards. And wash, lay flat to dry. Made in Peru. You can tell it's wool. It has a little bit of that scratchy feeling to it. That's not that bad. And the last thing I got is Metallica. 70% polyamide made, 21% acrylic, 9% merino wool. It's a number 4 weight, hand wash, lay flat. $115, no, 125 yards. Blue gold. It's very pretty. And then they gave me this. I don't know what this is for. Maybe for knitting. I don't knit. But they sent me that too. Anyways, this is short unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Bye.